Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustubh here back with another video, and as per the title and the thumbnail of this video guys, yes, I will be unboxing the Realme 7 Pro and giving you my initial impressions about this phone. And just for reference guys, this video has not been sponsored. I have bought the Realme 7 Pro with my own money, so it is gonna be a complete unbiased video of this product. And as per the drill guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and also turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming content. And with that being said, let's roll the intro and let's get the video started. So guys, this is how the box looks of the Realme 7 Pro, and we have the Realme branding here. We have Salman Bhai on the top of the box, and and other than that we have some small details right here, and yeah, that's about it. So just quickly we will just open the box up here. I will just give you the unboxing experience, I should say. And this has a plastic covering right here. Just quickly I will tear that out. And the sound of plastic guys, it is just so phenomenal. Like, I just really like this plastic. Just throw it out right now. And moment of truth guys. So firstly we get some user manuals. Welcome to the Realme family right here. And inside of this we get a case and yeah, some user manual, safety guide, and yeah, some SAR information. And this is the case that is included in the box. Looks pretty good. Then this is the phone itself guys. Here is the Realme 7 Pro. So I have ordered the blue color variant right here, and this is the main part of the unboxing experience guys. Just removing this plastic cover just gives you that next level feeling. After the phone we get the USB Type-C cable guys here, which is a Realme yellow accent. It has some yellow accents in it, and this is the 65 watt super dart charger guys. So this is a really huge charger. It's really heavy as well, so we'll keep that to the side. And other than that, yeah, that's about it. We get a SIM ejector tool right here. And guys, this is the Realme 7 Pro here in this mirror blue finish. And guys, this looks and feels pretty premium. I firstly thought that the plastic back panel was gonna feel cheap, but no guys, it feels just like glass to hold in the hand as well, and it is durable as well. That's one thing. And I've booted the phone here, and it is running on the Realme UI, which is based upon Android Pie, I guess. Firstly guys, we'll be taking a look at the initial design. As you guys can see on the back, I have the blue color variant, and this has a frosted glass back. No, this is not a glass back guys, this is a plastic back. And this looks like glass. Like, if you hold it in hand, you will immediately feel the difference that it is plastic. But personally what I think is that this is really a great move by Realme India, because glass panel, just if your device falls, then it might break. So plastic will not break, it is more durable as well. Next thing is with the charger guys. This is a segment first that we are getting a 65 watt charger guys. 65 watt is just crazy. Like 30 watt was fast, then 65 watt is ultra pro max fast, I should say. It just charges crazy fast, I should say. I've never seen in another phone like that. And next thing is with the display on the front guys. If you see, this is a beautiful AMOLED display that you get, and it has a hole punch cutout on the top. Also, this is a good feature that Realme has given us AMOLED display, because most of the budget mid-range category phones are using IPS LCD panel, whereas the Realme 7 Pro has a 60 Hz AMOLED screen. So this is a 60 Hz screen and not a high refresh rate 90 or a 120 Hz. So that's one thing to consider. Other than that, it's overall a great package, I should say. And that's about it for my unboxing and initial impression video of the Realme 7 Pro guys. And if you have liked what you saw right now, then do drop a like down below. And also guys, do consider subscribing to my channel, because I will be posting a lot of Realme 7 Pro content from now on. So stay subscribed to the channel so that you will not miss out any of my content. With that being said, this is your boy Kaustubh here from T2E signing off. You guys have a great day.